So today we are going to look at how to integrate admin by request with Power BI. This process is well documented in the ABR portal. Just browse to Docs, Integrations, Power BI and you will land on this page. Here you will find a comprehensive manual and a download link to the ABR Power BI template, which will give you a great starting point for your Power BI adventure. The following actions assume that you have the required Power BI license and have Power BI desktop installed locally. So let's go ahead and download the Power BI template. Once downloaded, click on your Downloads folder, right click on the zip file, click Extract. This will present you with the admin by request.pbix template file. Right click on this file and open with Power BI desktop. Once the template has opened, you'll be presented with the data configuration screen. Now we can go over to the admin by request portal and create an API key. So go to Settings, Tenant Settings, API Keys, scroll down, click Add New, edit the description, give the key a name, click the little save icon next to the name box, copy the key to the clipboard, and finally click on Save on the bottom right. Now we can go back to Power BI Desktop. If we paste that API key into the API key box, next we have Data Center, so we have two options in the drop down. We have DC1 API for EU and DC2 API for non-EU. So for my purposes, DC1 API. For range start, we'll do a suggested, and we'll click 1/1/2000. For range end, again a suggested 1/1/2100. For audit, inventory and event start dates, choose the date of your first audit log entry for your tenant. So in my case, 2/12/24. So 2/12/2024. Just pop that in the other two boxes. And with all the boxes complete, we can click on Load. This could take a while. If you do experience any problems loading the data, wait a couple of minutes and just click the refresh button and the data will load. So at this point, if we select all, we can now see our report. This is a suitable point to save the report. So we'll click on Save. Give the report a name and save that. We can now move on to publishing the report. So if we go to the Power BI service, on the left ribbon, click Workspaces, click Create New Workspace, give the workspace a name, and click Apply. Go back to Power BI Desktop and we click on the Publish button. We can see our new workspace that we created there. So click ABR Demo, Click select and wait for that to load. Now we can return to the Power BI service. We'll refresh that page. Just move myself out of the way. And here we can see our ABR demo report and the ABR demo semantic model, which is the data sitting behind the report. So from here, we'll set a refresh schedule. So click on the three dots, click settings, click refresh. Toggle on refresh. I'll add a couple of times just for demo purposes. So I'll go for 11 a.m. 11 p.m. We'll apply that. If you intend to use your report for sending alerts, it might be worth having many more refresh times scheduled so the data stays up to date. So we go back to our workspaces, back to ABR demo, move myself out of the way again, click on ABR demo, and here we have our report. So that concludes the setup and configuration of the ABR template in Power BI. Thank you for watching.